How is it going, traders? Today, I wanted to post a video of how I made a 15% profit from here to here. And there was an initial position here, and I averaged down here and sold up here. I wanted to go over exactly why I took the position, what caused me to see value in that position, specifically, how did I find the price points to buy? How did I find my safe sell and the riskier sell? How did I know where the next resistance was going to be? Now again, you don't ever really truly know if the market's going to play in your favor, and that's why there's such thing as stop losses, because it happens. Now I'm going to keep this video very short and very simple. In this video, I wanted to start off by saying that I haven't made a video in a good minute. I wanted to continue making these videos. I've had requests for them. If you do want to join the Discord and you want to be able to talk with me, you want to be able to join a voice chat and live trade with me, if you want to do that, that is all for free. Now, we do have a paid membership, the Elite membership here. We do have that is just my alerts where I buy, where I sell with options trading. Now, this is completely free. You can join the trading voice chat for free. You can ask, go to the I need help section here and ask me questions for free. The main chat and making trading friends is free. So if you guys want to join, make sure to visit www.moontrades.co. The link is in the description, and just hit join us. I believe that's, yeah. So right here, you just hit join us. It'll take you right on over to our Discord. Now, for most of you that are watching, you're probably coming from Discord. I wanted to show you guys why I saw potential and value in this trade and why I averaged down here instead of just cutting a loss, because my initial position was here, right? So I took an initial position right here. I'm just going to go ahead and circle this right here. I averaged down a little bit here and here. And then I sold the entire position here. So I took three contracts here, and it fell so fast I bought 2 more contracts, making me in with 5 contracts here. And I believe my average trade price after these, after I added in here, I added 4 more here, so I had a total of 9 contracts. My average trade price was $1.23, and then I ended up selling it at $1.37. And I sold it up here at the very peak. Now, how did I know it was going to potentially reject here? How did I know that I was going to average down here and I had the confidence to stay in from here all the way up to here? Like, why did I not just cut my loss when it broke this support level here? Why did I stay in and then average down? So there's a reason why. I saw the potential for profit was a lot more than the potential for loss. And the reason why is because if you go to the 1 minute, you can see this as well. It's easier to see on the 5-minute chart, I believe. Let me look real quick. Yeah, it's easier to see on the 5-minute chart. Look at the previous day. So you got to ask yourself. Remember, guys, the answers are not what you're looking for. It's the questions that you're asking is what you're looking for. You can get the right answer for a specific question, but if it's the wrong question, it's also not the right answer you're looking for. So it's the questions you ask yourself. Now, see these 3 lines here. So we got one line at 355.17. We got another at 355.78. We got another at 356.22. Now, what happened yesterday? The question you should ask yourself is, when it bounced here at this support level, because it did it twice, when it bounced here at the support level, where then does it like to go to reject? So it bounced here. It makes its way on up. Yeah, it's shaky, but it still bounced at the support, made its way up, and it rejected, It rejected at 356.22. And then it comes back down and meets this midline here at 355.78 and starts to push up. Now, when it comes down and hits the support level, just like before, and then pushes up, where does it then go after it bounces from that support level based on past patterns? It pushes up and rejects this 356.22 line just like it did before, comes back down a little bit below this midway line, it's using it as an average, and then it pushes back up to that resistance level and usually breaks highs there. Now, since we didn't break previous highs of yesterday's trading session, and we're making lower highs, yeah, this high was higher than this high, but this high was not higher than this high. So we're in a current small uptrend, but not overall uptrend. It's not an overall uptrend. It's still in this decaying trend. So that's why you got to be careful, and that's why I sold at this area. But look at this. Back to what I was saying before: support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So resistance here, right? I saw value in this midway line. That's why I added 3 contracts, is because that midway line, usually it pushes back up and hits that resistance. In this case, it broke it. And so since I saw that potential for it to break that midway line, what's it usually do when it comes down? It finds that support. It fell to that support or so close to that support so fast. And I knew that this high broke previous high, so it's going to test up there. I was like, okay, from this support, this support, this support, to this resistance, to this resistance, to this resistance. That is why I averaged down here and sold here. Now, if it were to break that support level, like it did here before multiple times, right? But it didn't close below it. If I would have got a candle to close below it or had an active trend, as in if, like for example, right here, it broke that support a little bit, it pushed up, came back down. And at one point the candle was breaking the support again, but it didn't break previous lows. So it wasn't actively trending down at that point. But if it were to do that, I would have sold. So if this candle here were to come back down and break that support again, then I would have sold and cut a loss. But it didn't, and I averaged down, had a total of 9 contracts. So again, I bought 3 here, bought 2 here, added 4 here, pushed all the way up, and I sold here because it's a previous resistance and it's a descending resistance from the lower high pattern. Now, I just had an Instagram live stream also indicating and showing, I even said that we're probably going to see 355.17 again. If you guys missed that live stream on Instagram, make sure you stay following up on Instagram because I will live stream more often on there. But I literally just said when it was way up here, I said we're probably going to see 355.17 again. Then it's going to push up and it's probably going to hit 355.78. Of course, I think it's going to hit 355.78, come back down, and then start trying to break lows, or it's going to hit this area here, or it could potentially go up and actually start trying to break this descending trend it has, and it can start recovering. But I do know that most likely it's going to push from here on up to here. So that is just what I wanted to cover. And the reason, by the way, that I know that I know there's a good chance for that. It doesn't have to happen, but at least you know where you would cut your loss below that support. You know where you could buy at that support. You know where you could sell for the safety. If it were to be in a downtrend, it still usually pushes up to reject that line before it comes back down. So to push up, reject that line before it comes back down. So basically you got this descending pattern that would be happening right there. So it would push back up. It would peak it probably with a wick and then come back down if it wanted to trend back down. If it wanted to push up, it might go up, push, and then hold a little bit, push up again and break previous highs, which would be that area there, and then it would start turning back up to that resistance. So it's very simple, it's very basic. Again, real quick, guys, if you're new to the Discord, then I wanted to show you really quick on Discord some of our channels. Take advantage of the fun tab, first of all. But before I get into that, I wanted to show you guys the educational area here. Take advantage of this. For sure, definitely if you're new to the Elite. If you bought an Elite membership, go over here to the advanced education for the stocks, for options and just everything you really need to know. I post in there. And then the basic education is for everybody in general. Everybody has access to this area here. So there's some good information here. You guys want to definitely check this out. You can learn your stock terms here too. If it's not big enough for you, just hit open original and you'll be able to see your stock terms there as well. Now these are just for fun to keep you guys, interactive, to help out with some, diversity. You want to be able to change things up a little bit. You don't want to just look at stocks all day. While you're waiting for a setup, you can post in here. The Elite Trading Chat, if you guys ever want to join the Elite Trading Chat, then definitely feel free to do so. That would be required to buy an Elite membership, but 100% you do not have to. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys why I saw potential in that trade and why I see potential in this upcoming trade here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll continue to make some more short videos explaining why I'm taking trades and why I see value in certain tickers. I might even start doing some live streams more often. So make sure you stay following up on my Instagram. That didn't even make sense, but yeah, so you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you guys the best and have an awesome trading session today. I'll see you guys in the trading voice chat down below if you guys want to join. Remember, it's on the website. It's right here, trading voice chat. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Wait, before you click away, I want you to know about Moontrades. Moontrades is a trading community that lets you surround yourself with like-minded people. If you want to get into investing in stocks, what better way is there than discussing it with trading friends? www.moontrades.co